Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. So grid lines are these lines you see making up all of these cells. And you might want to remove some of these grid lines. So say you're having this spreadsheet and you want these grid lines in this box here. I'll outline it for you. Removed. Well, there's two main ways to do it. The first way you can do it is highlight all the cells you want the grid lines removed, go over to your paint bucket, select white, and it will paint everything white, removing your grid lines. That's the first way to do it. The second way is if you want to merge those cells, which will allow you to make it one big cell and type in it like I have done up here. To do that, select the cells that you want to remove the grid lines from, go to the Home tab, which I'm on, go Merge and Center, and as you can see, this has become one big cell. And now we can type on it, and it just shows up on one cell. And this is of course good for headings like this one up here, because you can put it right in the center by going Center and Center, increasing your font and bolding it, and all of a sudden you have a nice title. So that's the two ways of removing grid lines from specific cells in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.